If your Facebook account has been restricted, it could be due to a violation of Facebook's community standards. Restrictions can vary, and the steps to resolve them depend on the nature of the issue. Here are some general steps you can take to address account restrictions. First, check your notifications. When your account is restricted, you usually receive a notification explaining the reason. If you don't see the notification, you can manually check for violations. Tap on your profile icon and open your profile from the menu. Click on the three dots to access profile settings. Tap on profile status. Here, you'll see any violations listed, such as community guideline breaches or other issues. Go back to the menu and scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Open the Account Center. Select Personal Details. Tap on Identity Confirmation. Click on Confirm your identity and follow the steps, which may include uploading a government-issued ID or entering other required information. Next, go back to the menu and scroll down to Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem and then click OK. You may be prompted to return to where you saw the issue and shake your phone to trigger the reporting feature. Sometimes, account restrictions are temporary and may be automatically lifted after a certain period. If you've addressed the issue and followed the guidance, it's important to wait for the restriction to be reviewed and resolved.